Demolition of the dysfunctional, edification of the better. Message from Mary Christ. As the Christ-Verb Jesus taught, the truth, what you need to know at a given evolutionary moment, frees from what is vicious or harmful, as much as it elucidates what lies confusing or contradictory. And, despite the blunt pain of the stroke of the symbolic sword that represents it, it still pacifies by settling previously irresolvable conflicts. Great renovations cannot be carried out by merely renovating the old. There has to be a prior demolition of old buildings, unsuitable for their purpose, in order to make possible, in the aftermath and void of the destruction, the edification of new and more functional buildings for the good we seek to do. This is why suffering is potentially purifying, like an incision made in a purulent wound, enabling the drainage of harmful fluids that threaten the health and survival of an organism. Frequently, beloved child, you will come across uncomfortable or even disastrous circumstances to create the opportunity and to unleash the composition of new structures of reality and life in your paths toward the integral development and lucidity of your being. Benjamin Teixeira de Aguiar, medium. Eugenia Aspasia, spirit. In the name of Mary Christ.